Alright, zigzag conversion. This is the last, one of the last problems on my first page of problems, and it looks absolutely horrible. So, given this string, write it in a zigzag pattern. Yeah, this isn't a great question, I don't think. It's very unclear, but give it a go anyway. So, I'm gonna take the first example and try and figure out what exactly is going on here. PAH. Presumably it is this P. So I'm gonna make an array with number of rows. Stick letter 0 in row 0. Then presumably, what's the length of this? 0, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. So the length is 14. If we floor divide this by 3, we get 14 divided by 3 is like 4, I think. Yeah, I'm too good. 4. So we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. No, we count this one. We go 1, 2, 3. P A H N. Alright, I've got that, but how do we get this next A? 1, 2. How do we go from N to A? 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is a terrible question. PAHN. PA. I didn't really get what the question, like, number of rows 4. What, so is the N actually meant to be here? PAH. Because there's 3 rows, PAP. This is a really bad question. It's meant to be PAYP. ALP PayPal is higher con apple sig year. Alright. That's cool. So, I guess we have to make a 2D array. And then we have to maintain an ing pointer in that array. And then we just draw the zigzag, concatenate everything that isn't an empty space. Which is what I'm going to set everything into in the array to initially. And then just concatenate each row and add it to a string. So the number of rows. So this should be the amount of rows, I think. I'm just going to quickly print chords. Output null. That's fine. So okay. 1, 2, 3. There's 2 elements in each. Cool. Let me change this to run. One, two, three. Okay, perfect. So we need to change this to something that isn't too out there. Well, worst case, number of rows is going to be 1, and we're going to end up with the length of the string. So I'm just going to do len s. So now we have our array, which is just empty, which is the empty string. Then we're going to initialize our I pointer, which will be for our rows, as 0. Actually, you know what, I'll just call it row. Then we will initialize our column pointer as 0. For I in range len s. For underscore in range len s. No, I need for I. Chords row col equals s of I. If row equals 0, I'm going to do row plus equals 1. If row equals so it's going to be 0, 1, 2 equals num rows minus 1 minus equals 1. Col plus equals 1. No, col stays the same. Then we need a down, so if rho equals 0, if down equals false, then we do column, we add 1 to the column, I think. And then we do rho minus equals 1 as well. So this isn't gonna work yet, this is just creating my pattern. It's interesting in a bad way. Equals 1. Else down equals true, we have to do rho plus equals 1. Um, it shouldn't be skipping this. It's skipping this when it shouldn't be. Because it's getting down here and it's adding another to the row. When down equals true, yeah, okay. P-A-Y. Then we should go to the second one, P. Then we should go back to the first one, it should be A. Okay, I think this is working. So then we do for I in range len chords. Insert an empty string here. How do you concatenate each row? Concatenate each row of list Python. Join. Yeah, you join on. Yeah, okay, I remember. String plus equals dot join chords I. Return string. Cool. Submit. Index out of range. Huh? If num rows equals 1, return s. Wow, my answer's not good. Alright, it looks like they're doing roughly the same thing, it's just that they are better at how they're doing it. I probably won't come back to this one. I don't really like this question. Yeah. But happy I at least got it done. It is just not worded very well, and yeah. EP, no, it should be, C should be up here. It was alright. I don't think this was really a medium question. It was probably more of an easy, but cool. Starting to, okay, maybe I'm not starting to fill out the first page, but starting to get some done. Yeah, it's alright.